Officers stop a car after they see a wanted male in the passenger seat with an active warrant.
How you doing? Hey, will you step out of the car for me?
Yes, sir. Why?
Step out of the car for me.
Oh my God! For what reason?
Face away from me.
No, wait.
Step out of the car and face away from me.
Wait,
Face away from me.
Stop.
Hey, stop! I'm gonna fuck you up. Turn around now.
Get the fuck off me. Press the charges.
Get out of the car.
I want the
Get out of the fucking car. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Get out of the fucking car. Give me 33. Get out of the car now. On the ground. On the fucking ground, motherfucker. Roll out, motherfucker. Stupid bitch.
Hey, can I get my baby out of the car?
Get back away from me now. Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, get in the car. He don't have to do that. Okay, Cody, are you okay? My son has bad asthma. Oh my God, my baby. Please don't do that. Throw the baby. That's all we ask. Hey, it's okay, Mama. They're doing this. Can I get my baby out of the car, please? Wait, just do what
I got 1, 10, 15. Tell you to...
No right to hit him in the face. I need to get my baby out of the bag. No, Cody, don't fight no more, please. Please don't hurt my son.
No, not right now.
Okay?
Get over there somewhere.
I will. Please don't hurt him. He's compliant.
Okay, get
I
back.
will. I'm back, sir.
You're not getting
Oh,
back.
well, if I'm back, do you want me to go?
I want you to go over there somewhere. I don't care.
I had no weapons. I just don't like to see my son being punched. I understand he needs to fly. I can't do this. He just asked why he got, but I know he has to comply with y'all. I understand that.
Where are you, son?
I understand that. He just wanted to know why. Can you call an ambulance for him, please?
Actually, why don't you go stand in the front of his car?
I will. But will you call an ambulance for my son, please? Yeah. You can look at the traffic camera.
He hit him in the face. That wasn't right. I mean, the boy was...
Okay, can you back up? Go somewhere else.
Not gonna come near you.
Go somewhere else.
Hey, come.
All right, go back 25 feet now.
Would you call an ambulance for him, please? I will, but he has seizures, okay? Please call an ambulance for him. Call an ambulance, boy. It's too late before he dies, before he passes that way. Call an ambulance, please. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Kyler, he punched him for no reason. Like, I mean, pushed him in my car and was punching him in the face in front of my baby, and I'm screaming my baby's in the car. And he's still done that.
We got body cameras, so, I mean, if he's resisting,
Is there,
he's got to obey orders.
I know, and he just asked what he was being arrested for, and he didn't say anything, and he just was shoving him in the car and punching him in the face. Look at my baby right there. And I'm screaming, please, my baby, you know, you're a father. I'm like, please, my baby, my baby. And he was still doing it.
You need to go. Go back in your car.
Look at the little baby having to see this. It's not right.
I'm sure he might be.
You just made it so much worse.
I didn't do nothing. I was getting out. You wouldn't let me. I was asking
No, I didn't.
why. I asked why you hit me.
I did not prevent you from
Job.
getting
I
out.
need the hospital. You're losing your job.
Okay.
I promise you, I'm gonna do the best. Because you had no reason to even know who I was.
Stop, Cody.
I'm very familiar with who you are.
Did you see it, ma'am?
Stop, Cody.
Please, because he hit me, beat the shit out of me for no reason.
Do you have your driver's license and
I
stuff on
don't
you,
have
please?
one. They kept it because it went out. I can give you my name and my everything. It's Sharon on his mom. We were taking his grandma to do laundry.
So this is my thing, okay? When I tell you to get out of the car, and then I tell you to turn around and you stare and square up with me, and then when I grab him and he tenses up and pulls his hands up like this, I'm not playing that. I'm not playing
Because you
that.
don't know he has a weapon. I'm about to hug my son before he
Yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna get these probes out, let them check him out, and we'll get him up out of here, okay? Okay, lean forward real quick. Ready? Can you scoot up a little bit? Are you able to scoot up a little bit?
Hey, do you got that cash? Can he have that? Because the baby needs it.
One.
Why'd you tase me?
Ready?
Why'd you tase me for? Why did you tase me? I don't ever run. You don't get my shit, man. Why did you tase me?
He's never had it. He's never
Why?
fought.
Listen, I'll explain more. Your warrant is for exploitation of the elderly and swindling of $20,000 or more.
I never get that.
I didn't issue the warrant, so I don't know. But I'm just telling you what it's for. Okay.
I didn't do nothing wrong, man.
I'm contacting the lawyer. Stop. I've got the lawyer. I got the videos. Just comply.
I'd like to have your badge.
We don't have badge numbers.
No, he knew I was getting out, though. He shoved me back for no reason. How was I supposed to get out before turning around?
Can you tell us why they was a warrant for him, or how can we find
Can you repeat what you repeated? I'm sorry.
Exploitation of an elderly or disabled person.
And not finishing that job,
And then
yeah.
fraud over 20,000.
Over 20,000. So that's what I asked him. What the fuck was that for?
$20,000.
I don't know. Like I said, I don't know the specifics of the case.
I wonder if we can get records of that.
I wonder, was it because he was out on bond? So would that be?
The bond,
I know the bondsman will go ahead and get him back out because he's not had a problem with him.
What I mean,
but what's the thing? Would it be something maybe that happened within that time frame?
And then
Maybe
they're
it was
charging
just
that
came back.
amount. 20 seemed like it was
It
20,000.
could have been. I mean,
Okay.
sometimes it could have been a case from 6 months ago that the
Okay.
state just dropped the warrant on.
Never had anything.
Okay.
I know he
All
didn't
right,
finish
so-
a couple jobs because they got COVID and they were sick.
Okay,
so he
so-
had a couple jobs to get back to.
He said it could have been from 6 months ago.
Yeah, but $20,000, that's a lot of money.
I know. Just gonna have to
Ain't
get back
nobody
in
yard
here.
work like that. They let me hug him because Casey's gone
Can
for
we
a
like?
long time.
No. Okay. So we can't say goodbye.
No, because they're working on him in the ambulance.
Okay.
Obviously, you're not free to leave because you're in jail, so we got to read you Miranda before we ask you any questions. You want to have a seat for me, please?
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
Are you familiar with a Don Goodwin?
Don Goodwin now.
You're not familiar.
Don, is the older man?
Yes, sir.
Over there by off Memorial.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, so I've been in contact with him the whole time. I mean, well, I'm not out here trying to scam or do nothing, you know, I got a little baby at home. Honestly, I just wanted to do the work and show you where I stayed in contact with the man.
So,
He was gonna call up here and tell me
over the span of August to the current date, you've had ample opportunity to get the work done. How much money did you receive from him in total?
I don't want to be wrong because my head's kind of cloudy, but he paid me I'll tell you what he paid me. He paid me to haul the stuff away, he paid me to trim it down, which I've done over half the work. So technically, he owes me a little bit more, but I gotta finish the work up. So that's what I'm saying, maybe, I don't want to say a number in mind. I don't know right off the top of my head. He paid me like maybe 200, 300 bucks.
So around about 300 bucks he's paid you. Life happens and you're saying that you said wife?
My wife had COVID, passed this because she went to the hospital. I called him and I got the records where I've been calling him and been staying in touch with him. And he said he was even going to call up here to drop the charges, or he was going to call up here and drop it. And he said he was, and I said, okay, then I can come back and finish it. So I was heading there to finish it.
On today?
Yeah, yes, sir, today. You know, that's my wife. She picked me up, and then next thing I know, I'm at the gas station with a cop behind us. I was going to finish it up. I'm not trying to play games with y'all guys because I'm already out on bond. I already know what's going on. Honestly, like, I can even tell you the truth. Mrs. Cornick called. She called in because there was a lady I was trying to finish up. During that time when my wife got COVID, I told Mrs. Cornick, I said, my wife got, well, I didn't tell her, my mom told her because I left the message. But if they have it on recorded line, and my wife has documentation where she did have COVID. So,
well, we're not disputing the fact of or that
Right, yes, sir.
things in life happen. However, whenever somebody pays you to do work and then you fail to do that, and then they try to contact you several
and
times.
I answered, yes, sir. I got proof on my phone. And my mom's phone too. And we stayed in contact the whole time with him.
So you have proof on your phone. Your phone's here?
No, sir. My mom, I have my mom bring it, and I wouldn't lie to you about that. You know, I honestly was meeting well. I even called up here on the recorded line, and I was fixing the people that I was behind on. There's somebody up in the Tangents Drive with a palm tree. I went and got that taken care of. They even called in and dropped the charges, or dropped the complaint. There was another man I went and took care of with his tools. Over here off of Parkway. I've been getting people like taken care of. It's just I've been, like I said, behind. I'm not trying to make it.
So it sounds like you're out here trying to get work, and you're if you're getting money for the jobs and you're not doing it.
That's what it's probably looking like, and it's not that at all. It's
I mean, that's what's happening.
Right.
It's not whether what it's looking like or not. That is what's happening.
Well, I'm taking care of him though, but I'm staying in contact at the same time. I am staying in contact with him.
But like the difference is like for me, I get paid after my job is done, right?
Right.
So they don't give me a check before I work next week.
Right.
So what you're doing is you're getting money before the job is done, and then you're failing to complete the job.
Well, they still owe money too, but it's like you're right. I shouldn't get a deposit, but I have to have fuel for the chainsaw. Supplies. I've been taking care of people when they got on. Where I did call up here and it's on a recorded line, was on an emergency line where I even went and took care of people. This guy I've been speaking with, he doesn't wish to press charges on me. He said he wants me to come out there and do the work, and I'm willing to do the work for him. He's a good guy. And I'm willing. That's what I told you. I'm willing to do the work. I'm not trying to skate around it. I already don't like this coming to jail stuff. I'm 32 years old. I'm a kid out, man.
All suspects are innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. To understand the charges that 32-year-old Cody faces, we have to go back a few years. In mid-2019, Cody began approaching elderly homeowners in residential neighborhoods, often showing up in person, offering yard work and maintenance services. One of his earlier victims, a 74-year-old woman, agreed to let him treat her lawn, and he offered spreading the lime across the yard, improving soil conditions, and general lawn care. She paid him up front about $140 for materials and labor. Cody did show back up, but only briefly. He spread some of the lime, partially started the job, and then never returned to finish it. Around the same time, he approached another victim, a 78-year-old woman. He offered more extensive work, landscaping improvements, yard cleanup, and general outdoor maintenance, and this 78-year-old woman roughly paid him $755, expecting the work to be completed. Similarly to the 74-year-old woman, Cody stopped responding and never came back to finish this project. Now both of these cases were grouped together, and Cody was adjudicated guilty on multiple theft-related charges, and as a result spent 1 year and 4 days in county jail, sentenced late in 2021. After spending over a year in jail, in late 2022, Cody was released. The pattern repeats itself, but this time the damage became worse. He ended up knocking on more doors and eventually got a 67-year-old male and offered irrigation system repairs, pump replacements, and yard restoration work. He paid him around $750, and at first it looked like he was going to do the job. But instead, he ended up cutting into the existing irrigation pipes, causing damage, partially dismantling parts of the system, and then abandoning the work entirely. Ultimately, he left the property in worse condition than when he began, and after 67-year-old Eugene tried to contact him multiple times, Cody simply stopped answering. This case led to more serious charges: grand theft of a victim of over 65 years old, and scheme to defraud, which was later dropped. But he was ultimately found guilty on grand theft and was sentenced to 1 year and 4 days in jail once again. Now for the warrant that was served that ultimately led for the stop, resisting arrest, and taser deployment, Cody received that warrant in July 2025 as a result of meeting another 72-year-old woman at her home and offering mulch installation, tree trimming, and yard cleanup. The woman had interacted with Cody 4 times, which he turned him down, but on the 5th, she decided to give him a chance. And at first glance, it did seem legitimate, but instead of one payment, he began asking for money in stages. Money for mulch, then tools, then additional supplies, and in total, she paid around $259. According to reports, only minimal work was ever done, and the job remained incomplete, and Cody eventually stopped responding entirely. This led for an active warrant being put out on Cody, which we saw the officers pull him over, where he initially started to resist and ultimately had to be tased as a result. He was charged with resisting an officer without violence, and he was found guilty and sentenced to 1 month and 15 days in county jail as a result of the body camera footage. This sentence was much shorter because it was a misdemeanor, but this is not where Cody's story ends. As previously mentioned, the warrant was put out on Cody after he did not finish the job of the 72-year-old woman he promised lawn services for. And a few months after he got out of jail for the resisting charge, in early 2026, Cody was convicted of exploitation of an elderly person, which is a felony. As a result of this, he was sentenced to, yet again, 1 year and 4 days in jail. 1 year and 4 days seems oddly specific, but in Florida, this typically means a standard county jail sentence with a 1 year max and a few additional days added for classification or illegal structuring. Throughout Cody's different lawn care service promises and failures, he spent over 3 years in jail on multiple occasions where he spent 1 year. For this specific resisting case, he spent 45 days in jail, but once again was sentenced to another year and 4 days, which he's currently serving as the time of this recording. All suspects are innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, will you step out of the car for me?
Yes, sir, why?
Step out of the car for me.
Oh my God, for what reason?
Face away from me.
No, wait,
Step out of the car and face away from me.
Wait,
Face away from me.
Stop.
Hey, stop. I'm gonna fuck you up. Turn around now.
Get the fuck off me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the fucking car. I'm gonna case you. I'm gonna case you. Get out of the fucking car. Give me 33. Get out of the car now. On the ground. On the fucking ground, motherfucker. Roll out, you motherfucker. Stupid bitch.
Hey, can I get my baby out of the car?
Get back away from me now. Put your hands behind your back.